Hey everybody, if you've been waiting on the crow, sorry it took so long. I've been very busy, but stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm back. Sorry it's taking so long. I've been super busy, and I've been working on so many things. Uh, I also told you I was working on my barbershop, building a camper style trailer, cargo trailer into a barbershop, and that's taking like every bit of me. And I've been working on commissions for other artists and commissioning one artist, my man Raja, on a new sculpture that we're going to be debuting soon. But today I have Brandon Lee, The Crow. And I know there's a new movie coming out for The Crow, but Wicked 3D, they knocked this one out of the park a couple months ago, and I was able to print them a while back, but I'm just now getting around to finishing up the paint job. I painted him with a lot of different mediums, printed some parts clear, so the the bottles here will be see-through. There's a lot of moving parts on this thing, but I still got it done, and I'm happy, and hopefully you guys like it. I have a few events coming up soon. Um, there's a Hampton Comic Con in February. I wanted to go to the Atlantic Comic Con this weekend in Norfolk, Virginia, but all my money's tied up with my other business. But my son-in-law will be there with his art, so I'm going to support him also. But stay tuned for more stuff. I got some good stuff coming out soon, and you guys are going to love it. So thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out. Hey guys, this ain't gonna be a standard tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what I did and my process. But enjoy the footage. Okay, here I have some clear resin. It's a UV cured resin that I got from Harbor Freight. Not Harbor Freight. I'm sorry, Hobby Lobby. But what I'm doing is I'm mixing it up with some clear paint, and actually it's contrast paint from Army Painter, and just making a clear liquid because you see the bottles that have spilt over on the table. I just want to make um, like a scene where the liquid spilled out of the bottles. Simple. So I'll mix that up, pour it where the bottles are laid, and I will fill some of those cups that aren't broken. Some were broken by me, and I don't think any of them were broken on the original print. But it's okay because this is a scene of chaos, and things got broken. Even what's crazier is that this is the scene where Brandon Lee actually died during the movie when he got shot while he was on the table. But yeah, I remember seeing that in high school, and it still trips me out. So I poured that, and now I will just cure it with a light. Simple, right?